HUD, home repair grants, provide a lifeline for low-income families struggling with essential home repairs. Administered by the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development, these grants aim to alleviate living conditions by prioritizing home safety and health standards. Eligibility for HUD grants is primarily based on income, location, and how critical the repairs are that are required. Emphasis is placed on ensuring homes are safe, habitable, prioritizing issues like roofing or electrical hazards. Applying for HUD home repair grants involves contacting your local HUD office and providing comprehensive details about household income, the property needing repairs, and the required repairs. This process aims to streamline assistance to those most in need while ensuring that homes meet essential safety standards. By offering financial support and resources, HUD home repair grants are crucial in fostering healthier and safer living environments for low-income families nationwide.